Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about how to merge multiple PDF files using automation anywhere. If you can see here, we have direct activity, merge documentations, where you can add as many as PDF if you want. Just click on Add PDF Documents and provide the file path for input, where we can select any PDF file. So before we proceed, let's understand the problem statement. Let's consider we have PDF file which has thousands of pages, but that is available into different files. So from 1 to 1000 PDF we'll have. Let's consider I wanted to merge all PDF file together. In this case, this automations will work where we have to just add all PDF file and provide the output path, and then we can run the code where we'll have all PDF file merged together. Now, if you can see here, I'm selecting one by one all the PDF one by one so that we can add it into flow, and based on the configurations, it will merge everything within one documentations. So here I'm adding third PDF along with the name as well as extension. So you can see 2130. This is the fourth PDF. And fifth one. Now, post adding, we have to provide the output file path so that we will have those most files generated within the output file path. Either you can select browse file path or add the path directly to here. Now, as you can see here, we have added the complete path along with the file name as well as extensions, and post that will run the code. We will have output generated where it will club all 5 PDF into one, and we'll have just single copy of PDF invoices. Now our execution is completed. Let's go inside the folder and check the PDF file. You can see we have one PDF, 5 pages. So you can see it here. So it's very quick and easiest way where we can merge 5 PDF into one. Now let's consider you wanted to split the PDF file. We can also do it. Here we have to just provide the file which is having bigger in size, and we wanted to split those files into different parts. In that case, we'll add file name as an input, and number of pages per extracted PDF will be 1. If you want, you can raise it. We'll have other options as well. Along with that, folder path. So this is my folder path which we are providing. We are not including the file name because we have already provided the file name above. After that, we have to add prefix of newly file generated, and that's it. You can see other alternatives. You can also select the ranges, bookmarks, and book page as separator. Pause that, save it, and run the code. Once we'll run the flow, we will have output generated where we can see 5 PDFs are available within my folder. Because in input file, we were having 5 pages PDF, and we have split it 1 page each. So you can see here, each invoices contains a single page. So that's how we can easily and quickly split bigger file into smaller chunks and without writing a single line of code. So whenever you are working into the PDF where merging or splitting operation is required for any bigger PDF file, by using automations anywhere, we can do it very quickly. If you wanted to learn more about automation anywhere, feel free to refer my complete automation anywhere playlist. And if you're new or beginners into the RP industry, feel free to refer my other playlist where I have added more than 200 videos on Power Automate, UiPath, and Automation Anywhere. If you wanted to get updated with new videos, feel free to click on subscribe and bell icon for further update. Thank you for watching.